Yo, here it comes. Check this out. Watch this.
Yo.
No, you gotta slow down. You gotta see it. It's in the back. It's in the back. You gotta see it. You gotta see it.
Yeah.
Yo.
It's not an optical illusion, and your eyes aren't playing a trick on you.
Window down. Roll your window.
I got it down.
He gets to do it.
What's up? What's up, bro? What's up? I love your AC unit. That's awesome. I love it. Good for you, bro. Yo.
That is crazy.
That was insane. And that guy was one cool motherfucker,
yeah.
by the way.
You can
Oh
tell.
my God, that was awesome.
You can tell because he put that in himself.
Absolutely.
He's chilling.
He got that bitch on an inverter.
Yeah.
So probably the 110 volt joint.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, that's awesome.
That's the coldest tractor trailer
For real.
pulling material right now.
For real. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes, and Matthew.
What's going on?
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today is Tuesday, March 12th, 2024. We just did, I am going to keep it real, a effing tits job on the last service call we just were at. We installed a 2-tank water treatment system that's not electrical, no drain, no salt. And guys, just take a look at this. This looks effing tits. Tits! What's not tits is this nonsense right here. We actually had to slow down because of this effing traffic.
That's okay.
Well,
That's okay.
it's a few minutes to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. This beautiful day, 80 degrees here in Central Florida, Orlando. Right now we're on I-4 heading eastbound. We're going to our next service call. Customer's got we have to diagnose a plumbing issue according to House Call Pro. Apparently they got a sewer smell coming from the master bedroom, bathroom, shower drain.
Usually if you have a stoppage and things back up, you have
Yeah.
walk-in showers, you have P-traps under there. Of course, sewage gets in there and it'll sit.
Yeah,
You have to flush it out.
exactly. Now, you think it's an up and down house, or is it one story?
One story.
One story.
It's a one-story.
They call them up and down houses here in Florida.
Do they really?
Yeah. Well, do they not?
No.
Where my in-laws live in Palm Beach, and they call them up and down houses.
Where are your in-laws from?
New York.
There you go.
We don't call them up and down houses in New York.
Oh, I thought you were saying you call them up in New York.
No, they're
it's
two-story
two-story.
houses, 2 or 3, whatever.
Story, yeah.
So it's not an up and down house, single-story house, hopefully.
Yes. Yeah, it is.
We're going out there. It's 2 o'clock. We'll be good. We'll see what's going on, get some content, and hopefully together we can learn something. Look at the Disney thingy.
Yeah. That lights
Oh, look at that Disney power line thingy.
up. Yeah, that lights up at night.
Oh, too bad they're effing woke. See? Smart. I love it when you ring the doorbell and you can hear the actual doorbell.
Yeah. Oh, we're not standing out here like a fool. How many kids you got, champ? 2. Okay. Daughters? Son. Oh, you got the boy. Lucky you. I tried, man. I have 3 daughters.
Lucky for me, I got the boy on the first try.
Oh,
Everything else is just like added.
dude.
You got a funky smell in here.
It was a little fun. Toilet sealed.
And the sink is...
Sink's out here.
That P-trap is clear.
Is it?
That is clearer than clear. I can see the bottom of it.
Yeah, we've been flushing a lot of boiling
That
hot
is
water over
clear,
the last
clear
24
water.
hours.
Look how clear that is.
Yeah. That's clean.
That's clean. But I'm gonna smell it real quick. It ain't coming from that.
So maybe... I look at the base around it. Does it wobble? Maybe wax ring.
I'm thinking
nuts.
the wax ring, maybe.
Yeah.
the hell is that?
Some kind of, I don't know.
Crazy and
Bacteria-
clean. It's a
bacto-
cleaner.
Yeah, it's a cleaner. Use of in-tank cleaners.
There's nothing. There's nothing in it. It's
But it does have a funky smell around the toilet.
This toilet is also. Did you see the inside of this? I'm thinking that's. Look.
I know, I see it. Yeah.
You see that flap
Yeah.
of stuff?
Yeah.
I'm almost wondering if it's coming from the toilet.
I'm leaning towards that as well.
To be honest with you.
When did this smell start to occur?
We smelled it for sure yesterday.
So it just started.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Look around the flapper.
I will say there was a time, probably within the last
Yeah.
month.
You have a water filter or softener?
What do we have?
We gotta look at that.
You have to look at that. You got something funky
Look.
going on inside this toilet.
That's all.
looks like hair.
That's all buildup. That's all debris. Everything. Yeah. It's not weird. That's from coming from the water.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Done that. This is a newer toilet too.
Oh, same
Yeah.
glacier guy.
Yeah. This
Totally
is,
different.
Yeah, totally different. This is a newer toilet. I think the smell is coming up.
But I gotta tell you, condition of the close couple bolts, the fill valve, everything. Condition justifies replacement. Yeah, we can bring this outside and scrub it and clean it, all that good stuff, but at the end of the day, all right, at the end of the day, you need a new toilet.